In a software company, the fire protection system is one of the very important operating parameters in terms of the business continuity. Each location we have a command center. In command center we have CCTV cameras, fire alarm system, PA system, everything is integrated, and this is connected through IP. So from my desk I can monitor what is happening in Atlanta, what is happening in UK, and what is happening in Mumbai. We used different brand for the last 15 years, US based brand. The moment when I go through the Bosch technical brochures on fire alarm system, I was so impressed. Then I called Bosch, the technical consultants, to understand about the product in a more elaborative manner. If you ask me, I could say more than referring the standard, I could refer the advantages in any product. If you take Bosch product, I see a lot of the benefits in terms of the operation, in terms of the cost of the installation, in terms of understanding the system, in terms of life. We prefer Bosch.